Hello dear learners, I am Mrs. Tejal Bhave, Assistant Professor at DTSS College of Commerce. In this video tutorial, we are going to see typecasting in C#. Now, I guess you all know about data types. Which are the data types you know? Integer, character, float. What if we want to change the data type from one type to another? So, the basic thing that changing of one data type into another is called typecasting. Now there are two types of typecasting. One is implicit typecasting and the other one is explicit typecasting. Now in implicit typecasting, it is automatically done. We don't have to use the typecasting operator. So basically implicit typecasting means from converting one smaller data type into the greater data type. That means implicit typecasting. Now what do you mean by explicit typecasting? It means the conversion from larger data type to the smaller data type. Okay, so if you have a bigger space, in that we can fit a smaller size, right? But if you have a smaller size and you want to fit a bigger element in that, then we need to do something, right? So for that, in implicit typecasting, we need to apply or we need to use converting operator. So implicit typecasting means conversion from double to float to long to int to char. Okay, so this means the implicit typecasting. Let's start with the practicals. So we are going to do first in the console application. For that, we are going to do it in the Visual Studio. So in Visual Studio, we are going to create a new project with console app .NET framework. For that, we need to select here C# language. The second thing which we are going to select is Windows. Then here we are going to select console. Okay, see now we have console app .NET framework option that we are going to select and click on the next. Then create. This is how we have created a program or a project. Now for adding 4 integer values, we need to take int a, b, c and d. Now if we want to find out addition and multiplication, then we need variables to store that addition and multiplication. For that, we are going to take add and multi, two variables. Okay, now as we accept the numbers from user, we need to convert it. We need to typecast it in C#. Okay, so for accepting numbers, we are going to accept it using console.writeLine. So Visual Studio is giving me suggestions. I am just clicking on tab and selecting that suggestion, whichever I want. So console.writeLine. Enter first number. Now as we have accepted it from user, we need to convert it using a conversion operator. That is a is equal to convert to int in 32. Okay, again we are going to accept the second number. So I am just copying it, accept the second number. Again we need to convert that into integer. Again accept it from user, third number. Again convert it. Accept the fourth number from user. Convert it using convert to int. Okay, now we have to find out addition. For that we are going to use add variable. A plus B plus C plus D. Similarly, we have to find out multiplication. For that I am going to select multi Okay, now we need to display it. So for that again console.writeLine. Sum of 4 integer so I need to give the reference, which is add. Similarly for multiplication, console.writeLine product of 4 integers. Again a reference by multi. And lastly we have console.readLine. Okay, so we have completed with the coding. Now for debugging it, we are going to click on this start. Now enter the first number as 2, second number as 3, third number as 4 and fourth number as 5. You can enter whichever number you want. Now it gives us the sum of 4 integers as 14 and the product of 4 integers as 120.